Hello. The question has been asked, can I record audio so that maybe I'm speaking in Spanish or maybe I'm speaking in Latin or Chinese so that I can actually send that to someone else? And the answer is yes. The way that you have to do this is you have to use Quicktime Player. So there's a couple ways to get to it. One is hit Finder, go to Applications, and then scroll until you find Quicktime Player, which is here. The other way is to use the Finder and just type in Quicktime Player. Either way, it will load on your desktop. If it doesn't load or you can't find it, either the program has not been installed, and that will have to be done. So that's a must, okay? So in Quicktime Player, if you just hit File, you're given three options: record movie, record audio, and record screen. Each one has its own benefit and use, but the one today that we're going to be looking at is only audio. So new audio recording. Click. A little box will pop up. You can minimize as a little time frame. You can see my voice is moving back and forth, therefore the mic is picking up. You have the record button. You do have the speaker button here. Please make sure it is turned down. We don't want to hear what's going on. But the drop down is a must, this little arrow right here. If you click that, make sure that you are either using the built-in mic, which is attached to your machine, or the headset. You will have to choose that. If it doesn't show up, then the mic is not working. So please see me for that. So make sure that's selected. To record, I just hit the red button. Hello, this is Mr. Coots. I'm showing you how to use the audio recording button in Quicktime Player today. Hit the button again and it stops. You can actually go back and listen to what you've just recorded by hitting the play button. Hello, this is Mr. Coots. I'm showing you how to use the audio recording. And notice that it recorded that sound there, which is really good. I mean, there's a lot of great uses of the audio feature. This is just one of those because I was asked to show you how to record your voice so that you can actually send it to a person who is listening to yourself. Kind of weird saying that, but either way, it's not saved. But what we would do is we would go to File, Save, and I'm just going to say this is Latin Voice 01. So maybe this is my Latin Voice 01. I hit Save. Notice that it does tell me where it's saving it to the desktop. It's going to appear right over here to the right. And once I do that, what I can do then is I can go to my web. I can actually attach a document. Let's say Spanish here, but if I want to attach that document, all I need to do is find it. It is on the computer. It is on the desktop. There's Latin. Choose, send, voila. Make sure I have the person. Make sure maybe I give them some subject. And again, I would type some message in. And that's how I would send that to your teacher if I needed to. And that's it. It's a real hard process of basically just getting QuickTime. Okay, so QuickTime's still here. I would find it either in the Finder or I would use the little Finder button here, Spotlight search, and type in Quicktime Player. Once I had it, then what I would do is I would go to File, New Audio Recording. I would make sure that my mic is moving. If it's not, check to make sure that my microphone is selected, the one I want to use. Hit the record button. It starts the recording process, and once I'm finished, I would hit stop. I would listen to it over and over again until I got the right one. Then I would, or redo it again, sorry. I would listen to it. If it wasn't good, I would exit. I would go back, redo it again. Notice it's asking me to name it. Once I hit that, no, don't save this time. I didn't like that. I would just go back through the process until I actually got the one that I liked. And once I did, you can either hit the red button as you noticed, or you could hit save. Either way, they both lead you to this screen right here. Give it a title, where it's going to be saved, hit save, and that's it. Just be aware that on our Mac machines, once you log out, that it will wipe out everything that's there. So please make sure you make a backup. And that's it. Hopefully this will be very helpful to you.